Shiba Inu could be set for a massive price explosion soon. The charts and fundamental analysis both indicate that this could be last chance for Shiba Inu. In this video, we will be looking at the charts, giving you a price analysis on Shiba Inu, and we will be telling the latest news. So if you have any interest in Shiba Inu, or you hold any Shib tokens, then you can't afford to miss this video. So what is the latest Shiba Inu coin news, and how will all of this affect the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will be answering these questions, and I'm going to be telling you all of the price boosting information that has just come out about Shiba Inu. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you watch until the end to not miss out on any information. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram group through the link in the description. I have made many amazing calls in the group, including multiple 10x's, multiple 20x's, and an over 40x call. The feedback has been amazing, and you are genuinely missing out if you aren't in already. But before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 31st of July, shall we? Shiba Inu's price today is around 1,645 units. Shib's price is down 1% in the last 24 hours, with a 24-hour trading volume of $171 million. The token also currently has a market cap of over $9.6 billion, ranking it as the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency. Now let's take a look at some charts and look at the price analysis of Shiba Inu. Later on in the video, we will cover the news and fundamental analysis. If you don't have a lot of experience with this stuff, I try to break it down so it is as simple as possible for you to understand. So first up, let's take a look at the chart for Shiba Inu against Tether. This chart, specifically a weekly one, means each candlestick represents a full week of trading activity, giving us a broad view of the market's behavior over time. The gray shaded area is a strong support zone where the price has historically bounced. Recently, the price has once again rebounded from this level, indicating it's a solid area to consider for buying. There's also a descending blue channel showing the controlled decline of Shib. The price has been moving within this channel, but it looks ready to break out. Key Fibonacci levels suggest potential points where the price could find support. If Shib breaks out of this channel and the support zone, it could see significant gains. This means you could get an entry between 1,673 units to 1,472 units. In summary, this support block is a very interesting buy opportunity right now. I am placing small purchases here through dollar cost averaging on low leverage, expecting at least a 20% increase if the price breaks out of the current patterns. But that's on the long term. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. This means that each candle represents a day. This chart for Shiba Inu shows a clear trading strategy. The idea is to buy when the price breaks above 1,875 units. This level is marked as a critical breakout point. Once the price surpasses 1,875, you should aim to take profits at the levels shown in the chart. The targets are 2,000, 2,250, and 2,500 units. There's also a resistance trend line that Shib needs to break through for this strategy to succeed. Below the breakout level, there's a blue support zone, indicating strong support where the price has historically found a floor. Please keep in mind these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. If you want to trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage, then sign up to BITUNIX or CoinW through the links in the description. There are special rewards where you can win a lot of free crypto if you sign up through my links. The exchanges are available to everyone, so be sure to check it out. Now, let's get into today's video. 0.001 Shib price in view as Shib burn rate soars 7,000% amid Shibarium's 6 million blocks milestone. The Shiba Inu burn rate soared by over 7,000% on July 30 amid increased activity around the Shibarium network. According to Shibburn, 2.37 million Shib tokens had been sent to burn wallet addresses in the last 24 hours. While the burn rate is cooling off, removing this large number of tokens from the circulating supply is a net positive for Shib investors and the entire ecosystem, as it makes the meme coin deflationary. The increasing burn rate points to rising activity on the Shibarium blockchain, which recently reached a landmark of 6 million blocks. According to Shibarium's marketer, Lucy on X, the network hit this key milestone as the total number of transactions on the chain reached 416 million. Shibarium's growth is fueled by blockchain developments such as the Web3 upgrade of the Shiba Eternity Web3 game. Analyst says Shib appears ready for a 120% rally. Shiba Inu has followed the downtrend across the broader cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, trading at 1,617 units at the time of writing after a 2.4% drop in 24 hours. A look at Shib's price action on the 6-hour chart shows that despite the short-term price drop, the coin has created higher highs, showing upward momentum. With the relative strength index at 54, the meme coin has room for further growth as selling pressure is yet to intensify and trigger a bearish sentiment. The positive sentiment around Shib is further confirmed by the moving average convergence-divergence line. The MACD line has crossed above the signal line, showing the likelihood of a trend reversal and further gains. According to analyst Jonathan Carter on X, Shiba Inu was on the verge of a major rally. The analyst stated that Shib formed a descending channel, pointing towards a potential trend flip. If Shib breaks above this channel and smashes past the 50-day moving average, the price could rally 120% to trade at 3,800 units. Such a jump could place Shiba Inu on the pathway to a fresh record high. The positive price performance also comes as analysts predict that Shib is among the top meme coins with a high conviction rate. This shows that investors firmly believe in Shiba Inu's performance and success. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu P2E game to increase Shib burns. Team explains how. Shiba Inu ecosystem team sheds light on how Shiba Eternity, the play-to-earn collectible card game, can burn more Shib tokens. Lucy, the Shiba Inu ecosystem marketing lead, emphasized that massive gameplay associated with Shiba Eternity will help facilitate more Shiba Inu burns. How Shiba Eternity will enhance Shib burns. She stated that the Shibarium transaction count would spike as more people play the Web3 version of Shiba Eternity. Since the game will be launching on Shibarium, players must initiate transactions within the game using the network's gas token, BONE. This suggests that increased game activity implies more BONE use. According to Lucy, using BONE to initiate transactions within Shiba Eternity will contribute to the burning of Shib tokens. This is because Shibarium was designed to burn Shib using some of its fees. Furthermore, the marketing lead speculated that Shiba Inu's NFT Shiboshi could witness a surging demand from increased gameplay. Players must own or rent at least one Shiboshi or Shiboshi before they can play Shiba Eternity. Interestingly, Lucy characterized the interrelated structure within Shiba Eternity as an ecosystem. Community looks to intensify burns. It bears mentioning that investors have been embroiled in discussions on enhancing Shib burns. So far, the community, alongside Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, has burned over 410.72 trillion Shib. This includes the incineration of 1.72 million Shib over the past 24 hours, according to data from Shibburn. Shibarium has been instrumental in reducing Shib's hefty supply, facilitating the burning of over 56 billion Shib since its launch. Despite the incineration of over 410.72 trillion Shib, the token still has a circulating supply of 589.27 trillion. Consequently, Shiba Inu enthusiasts have proposed several initiatives to bolster the burn rate. The community recently petitioned Binance to burn Shib using 1% of all Shiba Inu transaction fees on the exchange. As of July 19, the Change.org petition had garnered 142 signatures. However, the number of signatures on the petition has increased to 1,083 at press time. Notably, the community aims to reach an ultimate goal of 50,000 signatures to solidify its demand. However, Binance has yet to respond to the request to burn Shib using 1% of the token's trading fees. Without Binance's response, enthusiasts will hope that Shiba Eternity could bolster Shib burns. Currently, the game is in closed beta testing and is available to players who staked their leash tokens on ShibaSwap. Afterward, the team will extend access to Shiboshi and Shiboshi holders before the public joins the beta testing. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell Shib for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real-world value of Shib. How many are you guys holding? Don't forget to list your Shib holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the Shib holder for trusting and believing in the process. If you are enjoying the video, then please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. But Shib isn't the only project you should be looking into at the moment. I recently did a video on what could become the next Shiba Inu coin. Check out the video on screen to find out more. Thanks for watching.